The birds attacked! Nikki, what do you gotta say by yourself?
Just throw the whole thing. Throw the whole thing out there. Throw it out there.
These birds about to attack my little brother for his burger.
Throw the whole thing out there. Throw the whole.
Nick, you're gonna die!
Throw the rest of it. Throw the rest of it out there.
Shut up!
Up.
What if they all died? Still at the thing.
Throw it.
Still at the things for finding Nemo.
Come on, Nick. Hey, we're hungry. I would throw a piece of gum
Nick,
out there, but they
what do you have to say?
I am feeding the poor birds. Oh shit, they getting hella close.
Look at that fat one right there.
That nigga got no neck. No neck. No. Man, they all. Oh shit.
Oh my god! Where are they coming from? Oh my god, back up, Dawson. Nick, you're just gonna get it. They're gonna follow the bus. They're gonna follow the bus. Nick, no! We're gonna get hit by cars. We get chased by birds. Nick, stop feeding them. Stop feeding. Alright. Nick, are you okay? You get freaking birds. Did you get pooped on?
They do that. That's what they pick up people's food at the beach.
Nick, you get pooped on? Nick, did you get pooped on?
No.
They're not gonna drink your soda. They don't have tongues.
Oh, now they gone.
Okay. Is that the end of your story?
No. Oh,
Okay, bye. We'll see you next time, maybe. Bye.